Hello, this is Kurt Young, Senior Technical Marketing Engineer at Kemp, and today I'd like to demonstrate the deployment and the initial configuration of Kemp Virtual LoadMaster for CenturyLink Cloud. Virtual LoadMaster for CenturyLink Cloud adds another page to Kemp's cloud and hybrid story. Many companies today are deploying workloads across different clouds and on-premises environments. Kemp LoadMaster plays a critical role in providing high availability, performance, and scalability to these workloads. Okay, I'm logged into CenturyLink Cloud Control Panel and currently at the dashboard where I can see my infrastructure of servers and appliances deployed per data center. I can also see my current and projected spend. Before we deploy a virtual LoadMaster, I need to obtain the API key and password. This will be required for the Ansible runner job. I can navigate the settings in API. Here I have a list of all of my accounts that I've created keys for. This allows me to permit or deny users with an account to CenturyLink Cloud to deploy new workloads. Now that I've copied my API account and key, I can begin the deployment of Kemp LoadMaster. So I'll navigate to Orchestrate and Marketplace, search for Kemp. Currently, Kemp's offering two solutions in the marketplace. Kemp LoadMaster, which of course is our application delivery controller or load balancer, and Kemp 360 Central, which provides a single pane of glass for monitoring and management of your application delivery controllers, including third-party. Here I'll select Kemp LoadMaster. Within the product tile, we have a description, support information, and pricing for the solution. Kemp LoadMaster currently is provided as a monthly pay-as-you-go subscription. There are a total of 4 options. There's the Kemp Virtual LoadMaster, or VLM 200, which provides up to 200 megabits per second throughput and up to 200 SSL transactions per second. There's also the VLM 2000, which provides 2 gigabits per second throughput and up to 1,000 SSL transactions per second. These models can be purchased with Standard or Enterprise Plus. Standard includes 10x5 support, whereas Enterprise Plus includes 24/7 support, as well as features such as Kemp's Edge Security Pack, IPS, Web Application Firewall, and our global server load balancing. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a link to Kemp's End User License Agreement. Just need to check the box to acknowledge the EULA and select Continue. We're redirected to the runner job, which has some more information on the product and the deployment instructions. Here I just need to click Run. We have the option to select the data center to deploy the LoadMaster to, the network within that data center. If you've created groups to manage your servers or appliances, you can select that here or just choose the default group. Provide 6 characters to identify this LoadMaster after the deployment. We'll select a model and subscription. In this case, I'll select the 200 Enterprise Plus. You have the ability to change the memory and virtual CPU. Enter a password, a contact email address, and finally, the API key and password obtained earlier. Now, just click Run. The Ansible job will take about 10 to 15 minutes to complete, at which point a successful deployment will show green. Now that our deployment is complete, we can navigate to Infrastructure and Servers to see our newly created LoadMaster. We can select the data center, which in our case is New York, select the group, and find the LoadMaster. When we click into the device, we can see some system stats and the public and private IP address. So I'll copy that address, and we'll go ahead and paste that right into our browser. Now, just accept the certificate warning. We'll accept the End User License Agreement. Now, a license must be obtained using your Kemp ID. If you don't have a Kemp ID, there's a link here to create one. Select the license, which in our case is a 200 Enterprise Plus. Go ahead and accept the call home, and enter a new password for the default BAL account. Last, we just need to log in using the BAL account and the new password just created. The Virtual LoadMaster for CenturyLink Cloud is licensed and ready to be configured for your workload. For more information on Kemp Virtual LoadMaster, visit kemptechnologies.com or look us up in the CenturyLink Cloud Marketplace. Thanks for watching.